Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here HD nature photos tag in JPG file, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all files. Okay, go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription, one time payment for lifetime. Okay, then you have access of my all file. Here micro photograph 24. For example, I open this one, you see resolution of photo. Okay, and next sky. Transportation 1.79 MB file. Okay, and here nature photo. You can use when you customize or make photography. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.